Good afternoon to all. My name is K. Priyanka. I am the student of 3rd BSc Physics in Arulmigu Palani Andavar Arts College for Women Palani. First of all, I thank our professors to give this opportunity. Really, this 5-day internship training program is very useful and informative. We gained a lot of knowledge about various kinds of renewable energy resources and its day-to-day applications. Thank you all the resource persons and organizers to give the wonderful training program. Finally, my sincere gratitude to our department faculty members. Thank you one and all. Thank you.
Good afternoon to all. I am D. Kavipriya, the student of 2nd BSc Physics in Arulmigu Palani Andavar Arts College for Women Palani. First of all, I thank our Principal Madam, our department faculty members and the faculty members of the MDT Hindu College for giving the opportunity to attend this wonderful 5-day entrepreneurship training program on renewable energy resources and its applications. All these sections are very interesting and useful for us. Lectures, videos and explanation of biomass gasifier plant function, everything is fine. Thank you organizers and thank you one and all.
Good afternoon to all. My name is P. Hariharani. I am the first year student of physics in Arulmigu Palani Andavar Arts College for Women. First of all, thanks to give this opportunity to tell about my feedback. This program make my quarantine period more useful. Thank you sir and thank you ma'am. I think it is the right time to know about the conservation of energy and also the renewable resources and its applications in this period. Thank you for this program. In all the sessions, audio and video are clear and the explanation is very easy to understand. I watched the videos completely without skipping because of great explanation. I completed all the sessions and assessment. In every session, explanation and PPT presentation was very nice to see. Overall program was awesome. Thank you sir, thank you ma'am. In this program, I gained more information about renewable resources and its applications. I hope this program is very useful to my friends. Thanks a lot for this program and thanks for spending your precious time for us. Thank you sir and thank you ma'am. Once again, thank you.
Good afternoon to all. I am Mrs. R. Arulmali, Assistant Professor of Physics in Arulmigu Palani Andavar Arts College for Women Palani. First of all, I would like to thank Lord Muruga for his blessings. Next, I would like to thank our management, our board principal, our HOD ma'am, and our department faculty members for their full support to arrange this 5 days internship training program for our students. Next, I express my sincere thanks to the family of the MDT Hindu College, Tirunelveli, the management, respected principal, faculty members of physics department, those who gave the wonderful internship training to our students. We observed that our students learn a lot about renewable energy resources through your special lectures, videos, with simple and easily understandable examples. The explanation of function of your biomass gasifier plant with video is excellent and it's really very useful for our students. I extend my thanks to all the speakers including HOD and IKC coordinator who delivered wonderful and very informative lectures. Finally, my special thanks to Dr. A.N. Sita Lashmi Madam, Assistant Professor of Physics, the MDT Hindu College. In this such a critical time, she have made the best arrangements for this program. Thank you wholeheartedly. Thank you one and all.
Respected principals, professors of MDT Hindu College, Tirunelveli and Arulmigu Palani Andavar Arts College for Women, Palani, and dear student participants, good afternoon to all. It gives me a great pleasure to propose vote of thanks on behalf of our college and Department of Physics. We, Department of Physics, first of all thank our management and our principal madam for giving us permission for organizing this 5-day internship program on renewable energy resources and its applications from 13/7/20 to 17/7/20 for our UG physics students. Our sincere and heartfelt thanks go to the principal sir of MDT Hindu College and the faculty members of PG and Research Department of Physics for accepting our invitation to conduct this internship program in our college for our UG physics students for 5 days on renewable energy resources and its applications. Our special thanks go to the principal of MDT Hindu College for his inaugural address and introducing of the program. I thank all the faculty members of PG and Research Department of Physics for their high cooperation and their willingness to deliver special lectures on different types of renewable energy resources for all the 5 days of the program. It is a great job done by the department to give talks on 2 sessions every day by their faculty members. I have to thank each and every faculty member for their sincere efforts taken to cover all the sessions by their excellent lectures. For day 1, 13/7/20, I thank Dr. D. Mutturaj for his session on solar energy, a real-time applications. And I also thank Mrs. D. Guruvamal for her session on introduction about solar energy. For day 2, that's on 14/7/20, I thank Dr. K. Balasubramanian for the session on tidal energy. And I also thank Dr. J. Uma Megeshwari on her session on energy conservation. For day 3 on 15/7/20, I thank Mr. N. Arumugasamy for his session on hydropower. And I also thank Dr. A.S. J. Joyce India for her session on wind energy. For day 4, 16/7/20, I thank Dr. D. Silambarasan for his session on hydrogen, a next fuel. And I also thank Mr. R. Subhash Chandra Bose for his session on geothermal energy. For day 5, I thank Dr. A. N. Sita Lakshmi on her session on bioenergy, an alternate energy resource for power generation. And I also for her demo session on instrument biomass gasifier. The faculty members of your esteemed institution really provided a rich content program within 5 days for our students on renewable energy resources. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Our students really benefited a lot through this program, through your lectures and demonstration on different renewable energy resources, that is on solar energy, wind energy, bioenergy, hydropower energy and hydrogen fuel. I thank Mrs. Arulmozhi, Assistant Professor of Physics, for her sincere efforts taken to arrange this program successfully. I also thank Dr. R. Valliammal, Associate Professor, Mrs. A. Shanti, Associate Professor, and Dr. T. M. Selvakumari, Assistant Professor of our department, for their constant encouragement to conduct this program. I must thank all our student participants for their cooperation in attending all the sessions from 13/7/20 to 17/7/20 for all the 5 days and completing their assignments every day, thus by making this program a grand success. Once again, I thank you. Thank you, one and all.
With the Almighty blessings, I feel honored and privileged to get an opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. July 13th to 14th is indeed a very memorable day in the history of the Department of Physics, the MDT Hindu College, Tirunelveli. I, on behalf of our department and on my own behalf, convey our deep regards and hearty thanks to Thiru S. Meenakshi Sundaram, President of our College Management Committee, for his constant encouragement and support for this internship program. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. On my own behalf, I convey my deep regards and hearty thanks to Honorable Secretary Thiru M. Chellaya of our College Management Committee, who is the dynamic person behind us in all our success. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. I wish to express our profuse thanks to our Treasurer Thiru B.T. Chidambaram and Dr. R. Suresh, Thiru A.L. Shanmugam, Thiru D.R. Thirumalayappan, members of our College Management Committee, for their constant encouragement. We are extremely grateful to you, sirs. Let me also express my gratitude to our principal, Dr. A. Subramanian, for his moral support throughout the program. Thank you, sir. I am really honored to thank our most valued invited guest of Arulmigu Palaniyandavar Arts College for Women's Principal Dr. N. Bhuvaneshwari, Mrs. P. Umarani, Head of the Department of Physics, Mrs. Arulmoli, who is the initiator of this internship program, and to all the faculty members of physics department, and especially to the students who are the stakeholders of this 5-day online internship program in a successful manner. Totally, 96 students of Palaniyandavar College are involved in this particular exercise. Thank you so much for your cooperation. I take this opportunity to extend my gratitude to Dr. D. Buthraj, convener of this session, who has given moral support and enormous cooperation throughout the program. I thank Dr. K. Balasubramanian for his constant support as an IQAC coordinator. I thank to all my colleagues, Mrs. D. Guruammal, Dr. J. Uma Mageshwari, Mr. N. Armugasamy, Dr. A.S.I. Joy Scindia, Dr. D. Silambarasan, Mr. R. Subhash Chandra Bose, who are with me for highlighting the program in a grand success. Without their cooperation and full support, this internship program would not have been possible. Today, we are celebrating the success of this internship program. It is impossible for a seed to be developed without water and sunlight. Similarly, it is impossible for me to implement this biomass gasifier unit without the timely support, both initially and financially, given by our President Thiru S. Meenakshi Sundaram, our Secretary Thiru M. Chellayya, and our Treasurer Thiru B.T. Chidambaram. Thank you, sir. Today we are holding this Best Renewable Energy Implemented Institute Award just because of you, sirs. Thank you so much. I also never forget to thank the former principal, Dr. P. Chinnathambi, Dr. K. Balasubramanian, IQAC Coordinator, MDT Hindu College, Dr. K. Muthucheriyan, former Vice Chancellor, Periyar University, Salem, Dr. N. Jaykumaran, Associate Professor of Physics, VHNSN College, Virudhunagar, on this occasion for their support during the DST FIST-sponsored biomass gasifier implementation. I ought to thank to my beloved students of our physics department who have been involved in this particular exercise with great interest. Thank you so much, students. I wish to register my heartfelt thanks to Dr. A.S.I. Joy Scindia and Dr. D. Silambarasan for their timely help in designing Google Forms for e-assessment and template designing for day-to-day activity. Thank you so much. I am really proud to thank my ever dear daughter T. Abhinayashri, who designed the invitation, program schedule, e-certificate, as well as for her technical support, and to my beloved son T. Pon Egamram, who is behind the video editing for my presentation. Thanks, dears. Feeling proud to have you as a backbone for me to do this program in a successful manner. I use this platform to thank all of you because the support you gave has now turned the today's success. Once again, thank you so much to all. Thank you.